Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Proposify for creating sales proposals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Proposify website and log into your account. Once logged in, you will reach the dashboard where you can see your existing proposals. To create a new proposal, click on the New Proposal button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will then be prompted to choose a template for your proposal. Select a template that best fits your project or click on Create from Scratch if you prefer a blank proposal. After selecting a template, you'll enter the proposal editor. In the editor, start by entering the title of your proposal in the designated field. Next, add your client's information in the Client section. You can do this by searching for an existing client or by creating a new client profile. Once the client information is entered, move on to the body of the proposal. Here, you can customize the sections according to your needs. Common sections include an introduction, services offered, timelines, and pricing information. To add a section, click the Add Section button. Choose from the available section types, such as text, images, or pricing tables. You can also drag and drop sections to rearrange them in the order you prefer. As you add content, use the formatting tools to enhance the text. Highlight important points by making the text bold or italic. To add visuals, click on the Image Upload option and select images from your file. Make sure to keep your layout clean and professional throughout. Next, it's time to set your pricing. Navigate to the Pricing section and enter your rates. You can create multiple pricing packages if needed. If you want to include discounts or special offers, you can do so in this section as well. After completing the proposal, review it thoroughly to ensure all information is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click on the Preview button to see how the proposal will look to your client. Check for any errors or formatting issues that need attention. When everything looks good, click on the Send button to deliver the proposal to your client. You'll have the option to add a personalized message before sending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.